having an amazing day. Today we are organizing our garage. Grant has brought home all of his tools because of the current no work quarantine situation, and they're just on the garage floor. So we are going to be hanging cabinets and getting this place organized.
I'm a mannequin.
So we'll see how it goes. Back when we first moved in here, 7 months ago, this is what our garage looked like. My mom and I decided to go and get some build your own shelves, and we built a shelf to put all of our household items on and get it organized to the best of our ability. And now that Grant's home, we have way more stuff to get organized with all his tools and work stuff. So this is what it looked like 7 months ago. I put this shelf together. I put both shelves together, and this is all of our home stuff. Everything else is Grant's work stuff. We're going to take everything down, move the shelves over, reattach them to the wall, and then we have some cupboards from a friend that is demoing their kitchen. They gave us all the old cupboards. So we're going to make a longer work table here for us to be able to do projects on. Put a shelf right above it, right along here this whole way. I don't know if it's just us, but every project we do seems to take at least 10 times longer than I always think it's gonna take. So here we are, just emptying the shelves and getting everything out of the way so we can relocate it into a better position. This pole I'm moving fell right off onto my toe, and it hurt really bad, but I just kept on going. Good idea to secure the shelves to the wall in some way. This is our work area. Here's everything I just took off of our family shelf. We moved the family shelf over there. I'm gonna put everything back. And then this is what I'm talking about. This is all Grant stuff right here. Here are all the cabinets, drawers. As we got into this project, we started to think that we might actually move this shelf yet again, but for now it's going to work fine in this location. Here are two items that we have decided to let go. My mom's actually going to take this back because they use these little lunch boxes all the time, and she said she'll take this as well. It's a fishing kit. And I am not fishing anymore. I actually don't even have any fishing poles here. I've just been saving it in case we were gonna ever go fishing, but I don't think we will. So she wants this back. So. All of the items on this workbench are home improvement items. So they're all things that we need, and we're just trying to find the best way to organize this garage so we can get all of our home improvements done, yet also be able to park a car in here. We've stuck 3 of the cabinets in where we think they're gonna go, but you said you're gonna have to do what first?
Yeah, get the level, make it okay so they sit at the same height.
And we're going to then hang the upper cabinets, just like a kitchen. This will be our second kitchen. We're on our way to getting organized. We're on our way. Open section right here. We wanna hang all of our garden tools and all of that.
Best way to do installation is to pay someone else to do it for you.
Okay, now tell us how to do it.
If you have to do it yourself, you just make sure you get a nice, tight, snug fit. I'm putting a 1/4-inch plywood on the wall. This sheet's like 15 bucks a sheet, so I chose it because it's got a good surface, it's paint grade, it's the cheapest ply you can get. going to put some framing in for the rest of the countertop in the corner where there's no cabinets.
Grant is actually a finished carpenter as his trade, and he used to work for a guy installing cabinets, so he's pretty good at this. And he does have his own woodworking channel, which I will link down below, Wood Guru. Grant hung this for me and I am so excited. I'm just gonna wipe it all down and wipe this down because it made a little bit of a mess. And then my goal is to organize all of my laundry supplies and maybe some of my cleaning supplies in here. To use the Growth Collaborative for all of my cleaning supplies, especially in the house, but all of my older cleaning supplies with more harsh chemicals I usually store out here in the garage where the kids can't get them. I get my laundry soap from there as well. I have a link down below, so if you want to check out the Growth Collaborative, it is linked below, and they actually just emailed me and let me know that they have hand sanitizer again. So if you do need to order something online, they ship it straight to your house. These are some towels that I'm going to donate, and I had just set them over here because I was going to give them to one of our friends that takes them to an animal shelter, but I never got a chance to see them before this whole quarantine started, so I'm just gonna put them up here for now. Everything easily fit into this smaller box, so that is awesome, and now I can use this for organizing other stuff. And with all my decluttering I've ever done through the last few years, I always saved these plastic boxes because I always find they come in handy. Even if you do a ton of decluttering, there has always come a time when I wanted to reorganize things and maybe spread items out or get the kids more organized. So I never declutter these type of boxes, and unless you have millions of them, I just find they always come in handy and I don't want to repurchase them. So since decluttering, I've never had to buy another one of these type of boxes or any type of other organizational box. I just always kept mine from all the decluttering that I did and emptying out of the boxes. The next step is to get rid of this old broken down fan and add a shelf going along here and possibly another shelf down lower. After 5 days of work, we have insulated this corner of the garage and installed all of these cabinets. In here I've just put my gardening stuff and some junk rags and an empty bin. This is all empty for Grant to add and organize his work tools. Phase 2 of this garage project is going to be to insulate the rest of the garage and come up with some overhead storage. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Of course, we still have the rest of the garage to organize, but for now, this is looking great. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Who is it? It's the paper, isn't it?
To see more of our crazy antics, you can follow us over on our vlog channel and over on Instagram at Shannon Torrens. I'll see you over there. Bye.